Editing Ling and Marshy here. Vlogtober is fun. Day 30 has begun, so follow us on the adventures we run. So yesterday for Raya's birthday party, I did a reel on Instagram and I did it to the This Is Halloween song. So it's like the, whatchamacallit, the audio goes, this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Anyway, so it's like a really short reel, and I think the most views that I've got on a reel on Marshy's account is probably like 6,000 something. And then I woke up this morning and the one I did for that one, for the Halloween party, I got 10,000 views and I'm like, that's insane. So thank you to everyone who's helped. It's probably just one of the Instagram things that happened. But yeah, I'm about to have a coffee. Someone is begging for a lamb spaghetti. Good for your teethies. And yummy too. Oh, you made waffles! Of course I did. I love waffles! They're my favourite. Your scone's like really cool too. Thank you. Ooh, this is so pretty. Hello, Ziggy.
I look like shit. I was gonna like make myself look okay.
That just doesn't look right on me.
You two are crazy, crazy puppies.
I've got a bit of a funny jumper.
We've just left brunch at Millie's and we are heading home. Time to way out. So it's 4:55 and I've just done a little bit of packing. I say a little bit, but I've basically done most of it. Most of my clothes are actually in my hand luggage. This is the stuff I'm taking in my handbag, my pillow, and this is a blow up pillow as well. This is gonna be spare clothes, like some underwear, maybe some socks and things, just to carry with me. The only thing I've left is toiletries. This is what my main suitcase looks like. These are 2 lamps, lights for picture frames, but there was space either side of these bits, so I've just stuffed it with some clothes. And then the panettone for my brother. These 2 are NHS COVID testing kits. There's like 7 in a box. And I've got my pool floaties and stuff. This is Kimmy's little swimming costume. This is the lid of a Le Creuset pot, which is here. Also stuffed with clothes and other things around. 2 packets of cheese and onion walkers for my sister-in-law, stuffed with some more clothes. And so that should have enough space just to put in my toiletries, lie them on the top, and makeup, and hopefully all is good. And there's a little butt. Good boy. Okay, up, jump, jump. Next one, jump. Yay, good job.
I'm just imagining Growlithe, honestly.
Growlithe. Well, I think you might be staying here for a minute. My goodness, so it is 8:20 p.m. Feels so much later. Feels like 10 p.m. I just yawned. So yeah, basically. Anyway, just watched yesterday's Strictly, caught up with it, the Halloween special, and it was really good. I really enjoyed I always really like special effects and like the makeup and the costumes and stuff. I think it's really cool, like especially like the themed ones. So yeah, that was fun to watch. And then Marshy was barking out on the balcony, so I brought him inside, picked him up and put him on my lap, and then he did a little fart. It was silent but deadly. And then after he did it, he wanted to get off my lap. I was like, where are you going? And then I smelled it and I was like, oh, great. And now he's back out on the balcony, probably airing himself and also the house. So that's good. But yeah, I think we're probably going to go to bed now. A little bit boring, but yesterday was so fun. Everyone's tired. I managed to do my task for today, which was pack up. So I'm really pleased with that. I do want to vacuum the house, but I think I'll either do that tomorrow or Tuesday or Wednesday, maybe tomorrow. And everything should be good fun. And this is just a vlog, end of vlog video to say good night. See you tomorrow for Halloween. Ooh, spooky season.